All right, guys, this week during Tech Tip Happy Hour, we're going to talk about trusting the process. So if you're looking to change ERP programs or CRMs or get a new accounting package or line of business software, there's a 4-step process that you should be doing when you're looking to make that change. The first one is to make your list of requirements. So this list should include things that you absolutely have to have, things that you want to have, and things that would be nice to have. And then after that, you can go through the evaluation stage. During this stage, you'll reach out to companies that you think may be a possible fit and evaluate them against your requirements and see which ones fit your list of requirements the best. And then after you've decided on one, you'll have your migration stage. So during this stage, this will be when you look at exporting your data from your current system, getting it imported into the new system, and setting up the new system to make sure that it's set up for success going forward. And then the last stage would be implementation. This is when you get your users trained, when the system is actually put into use, and we always recommend that you run your old system and your new system in tandem for a period of time to make sure that everything is working the way you expect it to. These integrations and these changes are extremely important to a business, and if they go awry, can cost the business thousands of dollars and much more in employee time and wasted time. So we also recommend that you work with a partner for this consultation. Plus One Technology does this type of consultation. There's other firms out there that do ERP change consultation. Today we are going to make a martini called the Process Martini. So in here we're going to have 2 ounces of vodka, oops, if I take the lid off. And then we are going to have a 1/2 ounce of vermouth. And then if you want, you can garnish this with a fancy lemon twist or something. Sugar the glass. It's all up to you. All right, guys, we'll see you next week.